everyone is doing well today. In today's video, guys, I'm going to give you guys a brand new apartment tour of my new decor that I just did. And it's just like an updated apartment tour. I'm excited to show you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing that video, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, guys, so when you guys first walk out of my kitchen, what you'll see is my little dining room area, which what I end up doing is I end up putting my desk right here so I can have like a workspace. And I kind of want to make this space right here like an office space. My tripod is right here. And then when you walk over here, I got the big mirror right there. And then what I have is I have my desk that I got from IKEA. And then I have my chair that I got from HomeGoods. And then this black furry pillow that I got from Burlington. And then just on my desk, what I have is I have a big ideas book when I write my ideas in for my channel. I have my MacBook right here. And then I have a sign right here that says the future is equal, and I ended up getting that from Burlington for about $3. And then I just have my iPhone right here. Okay, guys, once we turn around, you'll see a full view of my living room area. So let's go ahead and walk up here. So guys, when we first come right here, what you'll see is a bench right here that I end up kind of creating. I put a pillow at the top, a black pillow at the bottom to create like a little seating area, like a little bench. And it's a gold little like stool thing right here at the bottom, which is cute. And then guys, if you look ahead, what you'll see is my gorgeous tree that I end up getting from Target. This tree ran me about $119. And the pot is actually gray, very gorgeous. So I'll give you guys a close-up of that. Very gorgeous. And then next to my plant, I have this mirror right here that I end up getting from Big Lots right here. And this mirror was actually $22. And then right here in the middle, I have a picture that I got from Burlington. Retailed for about $29.99. Another mirror from Big Lots that was $22 as well. And then guys, we're going to go ahead and get into the sofa, which I love this sofa so much, you guys. Literally, I love it so much. So I have a all black velvet sofa that I end up getting from Amazon. It retailed for about $643 with tax. And I have these gold pillows right here. So the pillows are actually from Burlington, and then I end up getting the pillow covers from Amazon. And they go exactly with the picture, which I love. And then guys, I have my round glass coffee table, and I end up getting my coffee table actually from Amazon. My coffee table was $130, and then with tax it came to about $150. So I love it. It's all black and it has glass in the middle, and it actually has two glasses. So I have one at the top and I have one at the bottom too as well, which is perfect. So if I want to put like decor at the bottom, I can. And then guys, what I have is this clear mirrored coffee table tray that I got from HomeGoods about a year ago. Then I have a black candle, this candle holder from the GoodWill for $3. And then guys, over here what I have is I have a picture frame that I actually got from Ross. And it was $5, and I end up cutting out this Chanel inspired wall art off of the internet, and I put it inside of there. And then it's just sitting along on top of two books, which is A Million word crossword dictionary and my Timeless Beauty book. And guys, my rug came from Ross. The rug retailed for about $79, which was a really good deal because it fills up the space and it just goes so well. Very famous wall mirror that I said was a closet at first, and I just made it out of a mirror. Right there in the corner, my TV stand that I got from Amazon about a year ago now. And then I have 2 clear candle holders right here that I got from, I think it was Ross. And then down here I have my Hey Google, a home sign, a candle. I have 2 books right down there. And then I have a gold candle and a white candle down there. And that is my TV stand and my TV. Very simple, but very elegant. So guys, as you guys turn over to this area, what I have, entryway table I got from Ross. And I just put some little flowers right here on top of them. I got the vase from Burlington a couple of years ago. And the entryway table is so beautiful, guys. It has a white top. And then it has like this like gold circle detail, really cute. This entryway table only ran me about $60, which was a really good deal. And then I just have like these beautiful sparkly flowers inside the vase. And then once you come up, you'll see another mirror from Big Lots. I love these mirrors. Thing you'll see when you come into my bedroom are actually my curtains that I got from Burlington. That's pink and black. That's the first thing that you'll see. And then guys, this is actually my beautiful dresser. So I ended up getting my dresser from IKEA. The dresser ran me about $186. It was so worth it, guys. It is so beautiful. It is so sturdy, and it was so worth it. Believe it or not, guys, this vase right here I got from the GoodWill, and it was literally like $3.99. And on top of that, the pink marbles came inside of it. Really? So cute. This mirror right here, which I love so much. I got this mirror from TJ Maxx. You guys, this mirror is so beautiful. Like, literally, the details on it, like, so beautiful. So, yeah, I got that mirror from TJ Maxx, and the mirror ran me $30. Very, very gorgeous. And then, guys, over here, what you'll see is flowers from Hobby Lobby, and then I got this little vase from Marshall's. This is my diamond clustered picture frame that I got from Ross. And this is actually a crystal heart that I got from the GoodWill a little while back to put my little accessories and stuff in there, the little that I wear. And that's how that looks. And if we step back here, guys, you'll see the full view of the room. So let's start with the carpet. So the carpet I end up getting from Ross, which is very, very pretty. And then, guys, what I have is my side tables, which I got both side tables from Ross. And that's how those look with the mirrors on top. And my lamps, gorgeous lamps. I love these lamps so much. I love clear lamps because they're just so gorgeous and they go with anything. I got these lamps actually from Burlington, and they were $27.99. And then my side tables from Ross were $28.99, so they was like almost $30 a piece. Very gorgeous. And that's my other one over there. And guys, this picture from Burlington, guys, this picture was only like $20. It was on clearance. I had to get it. Like, it was so pretty. So Let's start with the bedding. So the bedding, I got my comforter from Walmart, my white comforter. I got this throw from Pure One, this pink throw from Pure One. And I got this candle from Burlington. I got the vase from Ross. The vase was $8.99, and I got the flowers from Hobby Lobby. And I just ended up this mirror stand that I had and putting it on top of that tray because it just looks so good on there. So, and then over here, what I have is I have a cream throw. I got the throw from Ross. It was a twin set. And then these pillows right here, these blush pink pillows with the silver rhinestones, I end up getting from Burlington. And then I just have two big pillows in the back right here, which are like a silverish color, which looks really beautiful all together. And I got the silk pillowcases from Ross with the two pillows from Burlington too as well. Okay, so the headboard. So guys, my headboard actually came from Amazon. The headboard was only $109 with tax. It came to like $121, so that was a really good deal. And it's like a suede material, and it has like these rhinestones on the side of it. Looks really cute. It really gives it detail, and they're silver, so they go very well. And then like I said, over here is my other side table with my lamp. Okay, so next is my bathroom. So I end up getting the shower curtain from Big Lots right here. And then I end up getting these little like rhinestone, like little diamond looking hooks from Burlington. As you come over here by the toilet, I have a vase with some flowers from Burlington. It was $6.99. And then over here, I have a reserved tissue holder on the side that came from Burlington. And then guys, up here, what I did was install these acrylic shelves for me to store like my skincare, anything essential that I use every day, and I end up putting that right there on the wall. Another mirror that came from Big Lots that I actually installed and took out the old one just so it can all go together. And then guys, down here what I have is I have my sink, and then here are, this is my soap and this is my toothbrush holder. And what I did was I put some contact paper on my sink right here, and then I put like some little clear crystals inside of the sink. So that's how that is looking right now. Burlington. And then right here I have just like a white sheer curtain. Yes guys, so that includes my home tour today. I hope you guys truly enjoyed. Thanks again for watching. Leave comments below on which part of the tour that you enjoyed the most. What decor would you consider picking up? Which decor did you like? Which room did you like the most? Let's just chit chat in the bottom, guys. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it, and do not forget to subscribe if you guys would like to join the family. And thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.